I feel different na parang may tumutusok na pero medyo makati siya. Konti lang, pero hindi masyadong makati. Pero pag ganyan kasi, medyo natatakot ako. Pag medyo mafe-feel kong makati. Hey everyone, JESHIE URS here again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is about masks. So here's is another mask. It's from Korea. It's from Mediheal. So I wanted to use this one to try because they say it's Mediheal. So let's try this one. As you can see, bagong ligo ako, and then before I sleep, I want to use this one. So this one we can stay for 10 to 20 minutes on our face, and we don't need to wash. So after that, you can ready for your night routine after the mask. Ito malagkit siya, madikit siya, so yeah. So, diba, parang ano lang siya, parang skin tone siya, na walang, hindi mo mahalata na may mask, hindi tulad ng ibang mask na tatang puting-puti. Pero ito naman, parang siya, manipis. Pero we'll see kung wala ba akong pimples bukas. So most of the time, nagmamask ako once in a week, and one of my favorite is yung Garnier. As you can see in my video dito, yun yung yun yung best wala nabutas siya. Ay, hindi pala. Ayun nga, nabutas. So, yun yung favorite ko mask so far. So how to use this one? I can read behind. So my Korean Hangul language, or Korean language, and also English language. So how to use bago mo daw siya ilagay, ganituhin mo daw yung mukha mo. Parang massage siya sa Korean massage kasi is parang may ginaganon sila, para hindi sila siya dito, parang hindi sila anong tawag dito, gusto na kasi nila parang sa atin babalo or parang ganito ba, ang ganon, line. So yeah, so let's wait for 10 to 20 minutes and I'll be right back in a few minutes. So I'm back, guys, for almost 20 minutes. So while waiting for 20 minutes, nag-blower muna ako ng buhok. And let's try to, actually this one, nafe-feel ko yung, hindi ko siya mako-compare sa other mask. It's because the other mask na I try is for moisturizing. So, yun talaga is about freshing, yung nafe-feel mo yung cool sa skin while using the mask. But ito kasi parang, I feel different na, parang may tumutusok na pero medyo makati siya. Konti lang, pero hindi masyadong makati. Pero pag ganyan kasi, medyo natatakot ako. Pag medyo mafe-feel kong makati. Pero, as you can see, this is not a moisturizing mask. This is a Ampoule mask. So, actually, yung Ampoule mask is kind of, as I say earlier, Ampoule is kind of essence or kind of serum. Kaya it's my first time to use also as Ampoule or kind of mask like this na nafe-feel ko yung hapdi pala, hapdi na may tumutusok, unlike sa other na nafe-feel ko yung coolness at saka yung fresh talaga. Pero ito medyo may tumutusok na medyo makati, mahapdi, something like that. So we'll see na lang tomorrow o kung mafe-feel ko or may lalabas ba na pimples, kasi yun yung sign ko pag gumagamit ako ng product tonight, mostly mask, and then may nakita akong pimples tomorrow, means hindi siya pwede sa akin, or may nakikita akong dot, means hindi siya pwede sa skin ko. So hindi na ako bibili ng product pag nakita ko may pimples ako kinabukasan. So yan nga, so nakalagay dito, ito yung mask. So Mediheal is a mask of science that was created and tested by using beauty principle. Mediheal incorporates the skin, no provide custom solution for individual based on their skin concern and renew the skin glow and the face like adhesive Niacinamide. Mediheal uses adhesive. Let's try to check this one kasi medyo iba talaga yung medyo iba talaga yung nafe-feel ko compare sa other mask na na-try ko. So let's go to the app of my I.P.l account and we'll read the review. So we need to wait 5 minutes more for this. So let's go for the review. I try to find this kind of mask. Let's try to read the feedback. Kung meron ba. This is honest review has. So far, they have few review. So ang nilalagay naman nila is a good news. I mean, good feedback. So far, wala pa akong nakikita ang bad. May negative siyang star. Ito, may 4 lang siya na binigay na star dito. Kaso, ano lang siya, parang Espanyol lang siya. Yun na. So, let's try to take this out na. So, yun na. So, massage muna natin. So, sabi nila dito, after mong mag-mask, i-spread mo siya until mag-absorb yung essence. So, yan nga. I-dry ko na lang siya or I look like this and we'll see na lang tomorrow kung may pimples ba ako, and let's continue to make this vlog and I will let you know, guys. Good morning. Ito na nga, nafe-feel ko yung face ko, hindi siya malambot, but parang nagli-lift yung ganun mo, yung parang ano ba, parang medyo matigas, basta hindi siya compare sa moisturizer na malambot siya. Pero ito ngayon, nafe-feel ko is parang nagli-left talaga yung yung skin mo, ay yung mukha mo sa paglagay ng essence. Pero so far maganda naman yung kalabasan. Let me try to open the window. Maganda naman yung kalabasan. So yun nga lang, yung sa una medyo nafe-feel ko yung half day, pero wala namang walang pimples na lumalabas. Okay naman siya. Ayan. Parang tumataas talaga yung mukha mo. Pero parang nagli-lessen din yung pores. So, maganda naman siya so far. So, yun lang po yung review ko about the Ampoule mask. So, yes. See you around, guys. Thank you and good morning. Bye-bye.